In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create forms from a template inside PandaDoc. This tutorial will walk you through the process step by step to make sure it's straightforward and easy to follow. Let's dive right in and get started. Firstly, head over to the PandaDoc website. It's where we're going to be working today. PandaDoc is an excellent tool for creating, approving, and sending documents quickly and efficiently. Once you're there, the first thing you'll want to do is locate and click on the login button. This will take you to the sign in page. Now you'll see some options for logging in. For today's instructions, we're going to use Google to sign in. This method is convenient if you frequently use Google services, as it cuts down on the need to remember another password. Click on the Google button to continue, then you'll need to select the appropriate Google account that you want to log in with. Once selected, PandaDoc will redirect you back to your dashboard. From your PandaDoc dashboard, direct your attention to the section labelled Documents. You'll see a drop-down arrow here. Click on it to reveal more options. Among the options, you'll find the section labelled Forms. Click on this to proceed to the Forms area of PandaDoc. Now that you're in the Forms section, you'll see the option to create a new form. Click on Form to initiate the process. Here comes an exciting part, selecting a template. PandaDoc offers a variety of templates that you can use to create your form. This can be especially useful if you need a starting point or if you've frequently used a particular template in the past and want to ensure consistency. Once you've selected a template, a new window will open, showcasing the template. You'll notice an option to add one item at the bottom or side of the page. Click on this to begin customizing your template. This feature allows you to adapt the form to suit your specific needs, adding any necessary information, fields, or changes that personalize the form for its intended use. Editing your form is the final step. This is your chance to ensure everything is perfect before you finalize the document. You can add fields, remove parts that aren't relevant, and ensure that the form reflects all the details you require. Take care here to double check all the elements so they meet your expectations. And there you have it. You've created a customized form using PandaDoc's templates. This process can save you lots of time and ensure that your forms are professional and consistent. Remember, the more you use PandaDoc, the more comfortable you'll become with its powerful features. Thanks for watching, and happy form creating.